Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit the ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Okay guys, let's take a look at the euro currency. Well, yesterday market wasn't able to hold above the 50% support on the intraday charts right here and has shown some small downward continuation right to the weekly pivot support 1. At the first glance on the daily time frame, it looks like the situation hasn't changed much because in fact market still has the ability and possibility to continue move high and complete this some sort of the free drive pattern, whatever you call it, because 127 extension of that swing and 1618 of that swing stands in the same area. That's very typical for the appearing of the free drives. Also, trend has shifted bearish, and you can see some kind of the divergence is developing here on the MACD indicator. So here the situation hasn't changed much compared to the previous trading session, but that is only on the first glance. On the lower time frame, situation, in fact, we could say that stands at the edge of drastic changes. And particularly speaking, depending on how market will behave around the weekly pivot support 1, will clarify overall action in the short-term perspective on the euro currency. Here is our picture on the 4-hour time frame. Well, it's a bit small maybe on your chart, so let me make it greater. So first of all, we have said yesterday that was our analysis. Yesterday that was the butterfly retracement right to the 50% support of that thrust. That was also previous consolidation. We said if market will hold there and turns to the upside, that could be the free drive. But market has failed here and moved down to the next support area, weekly pivot support 1 and 618 support of this move up. On this picture we do not see much, so only thing that we see is just this lightning bolt ABCD pattern that completes right here around 132 area. But if you contract the picture, you will see that that could be, in fact, if I will erase unnecessary details here, okay, then you'll see it more clear that we could get, in fact, head and shoulders pattern here. That's why I said that market stands at the edge of the drastic changes. And if market will fail here, and I think that it's very significant probability that it will happen, market will continue to move lower. The first area to watch for is 132, approximately 132 even area, because that will be the potential neckline where retracement up could start and start to form the right shoulder of this pattern. That is possible. Also, you can see this big divergence with the MACD indicator. Well, that's why currently, personally, I do not want to take the long position since market has failed at a significant area yesterday, and it could be that market will not show any free drive pattern, and now it becomes more and more probable. That's why if you still think and want to take the long position, I think that the first area where you could do this is around 132, 132.10, right at the neckline, because more or less, at least you have some hope that market will show some bounce that will let you to put your stop on the break-even, and your position will be somehow protected by the break-even stop. That's the first area where you could do this. But looking at the behavior of the market, personally, I do not want to entering long right now at all. The safest way, I think, that is to wait more confirmation that market will find support here, start bounce here, and start to form the probable head and shoulders pattern or something of that sort. If this will happen, then we could try to take the short position, because we have the bearish trend at the daily time frame, bearish trend on the intraday charts, that's really the pattern that could be formed on the market. Market really could continue move to the downside. Well, but as I said, if you still think that market could continue move higher, then the best area to watch for long entries around 132, 132.10 area. And in general, this pattern that is now forming, as you can see, really changing the situation on the euro currency. Because if this will be really the head and shoulders, that could be the reversal. And we said the minimum target of this pattern will be somewhere around this area. It's around 130, 130 area, the 50% support of the whole thrust up. That's really possible if market really will form here. The reversal pattern will start move to the downside. That's why it's very difficult to now market you can see stands in some sort of the semi position, because market neither has reached the neckline nor starts some any bounce, so it's just on the way to the neckline. That's why it's very difficult to take the position right here. Well, I think that probably we should wait a bit and get more clear picture here, or at least to reach some area that will be suitable and will stand in a row with our expectation, in a row with our analysis, what we expect from the market, so that we could take the reasonable position. But right now, I think that's, since, as I said, market has denied the first setup that we previously have thought that it could start to work here. It was denied by the market, but market hasn't quite reached the area that is suitable for the second setup, the potential reversal pattern on the 4-hour time frame. That's why probably we need to 1-2 trading sessions to see how market will behave around the neckline, and whether we will take the we'll get the possibility to take the position with this new pattern.